guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are going to be working on a forward fold and just alternating straightening out one leg. So here we are going to be working on stretching through the back of the leg and into the lower back. So if you cannot get into a flat forward fold, bring the ground closer. So stack a couple plates or put like a plyometric box underneath you. I've got my mat rolled up. And that's sufficient for me. You know, roll it up as many times as you need, so that way you can put your hands flat on the ground, whether that looks like this, or looks like this, or looks like this. We want our hands flat on the ground. And the next thing we're going to do is we are going to alternate locking out one leg. Your hips are probably going to shift, and that's all good, but we're just going to alternate back and forth, gently locking one leg out and then the next. And as you do a handful of these, you might be able to take a plate away or something along those lines to get yourself closer and closer to the floor as you increase the flexibility through the back of your leg and your lower back. So for more fantastic mobility exercises like this, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.